Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove a Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for business.facebook.com. Now, sign into your business account and you will be redirected to this type of web page. Here, you just need to access the settings from the settings option located at the bottom left corner. If you can't find it here, you can also find it in the All Tools tab. Now inside Settings, access the Pages feature under the Accounts tab. After that, select the target page from this list and click on the three dots icon at the right side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Remove from Business Portfolio and then click on the Remove button again to confirm the action. So that's basically how you can remove a Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.